So Amazon just announced a few products a few hours ago, and we're going to get into today's video. We have a 4th generation Echo Dot, which comes at $50 and will be released on October 22nd of 2020. It comes in 3 colors: charcoal, glacier white, and twilight blue. They also have a more expensive version which has a clock, which is $10 more, and will be released on November 5th. It comes in 2 different colors: glacier white and twilight blue. They also announced some kid versions which have a tiger and a panda, which retail for $59.99 and will be released on October 22nd of 2020. We also have a few upgrades for Wi-Fi. We have the Arrow 6th generation, and this retails for $5.99 and it will be released on November 2nd. And you also have a option to get a free Fire TV Cube with the same exact price, which is really cool. So I highly recommend you guys pick either up, especially right now, because it is at a really good price, as the Fire TV Cube retails for $120. Now they also have other options available with one router and one extender, which retails for $200, and they also have a standalone router which costs $130, which in my opinion is really good for the 6th generation. More specs on that in an in-depth video in the future. Also have 2 new Fire TV sticks. We have a Fire TV Stick Lite, which retails for $30 and will be released at the end of the month on September 30th, 2020, which is really cool. This one has no TV options, but it has the Alexa assistant. They also have a few options available for the Arrow, as you can see, which were just announced a few minutes ago, and I didn't even see it, but I had to refresh, but you can see that right now. They also have a new Fire TV stick, which comes with Dolby Atmos. They have a new health band, which comes in about $65 in 3 different colors and sizes. They have a $100 premium 4th generation Echo Dot, as well as a Echo Show 10 3rd generation that comes in at $250.